Welcome back to the Famouslinker channel. Today I'm excited to introduce another talented creator, Sakine. She's a content creator and graphic designer with over 70k followers on Instagram, where she shares training videos on advanced Photoshop techniques. Sakine, it's great to have you here. Can you tell us a little about what you do and your journey as a content creator?
Hi, yes, I make videos about Photoshop. I show my followers how to use advanced features, and I also help them work as freelancers. I think everyone should have a chance to make money with their skills.
That's amazing. You've built such a great platform to help others. Now, for brands or clients who want to work with you, how can they reach you on Famouslinker?
They can find me on famouslinker.com/Ahmadi. I'm excited to connect with more people and grow my work.
Awesome. I know you had some questions about Famouslinker. What would you like to know?
Yes, I was wondering, is Famouslinker free to use? And do you need a credit card?
Great questions. Famouslinker is free to use and you don't need a credit card to sign up. All you need to do is set up your profile, and once that's done, your own page will be created automatically.
That's nice. What can I do with my page?
Well, on your Famouslinker page, you can receive quotes from clients directly, and you can also sell your service packages. If you want to access existing projects, you can upgrade to the basic plan, but you'll be able to use most of the features for free.
That sounds really good. And for freelancers like me, what about getting paid? How does that work?
Famouslinker has partnered with Persian Union, so if you don't have an international bank account, they will help you transfer your money. It's a great way to ensure you get paid no matter where you are. So, for anyone watching, if you want to work with Sakine or learn more about her services, make sure to visit her page on Famouslinker. Sakine, it was great chatting with you today. I'm sure a lot of people will find your work inspiring.
Thank you so much. I'm happy to be here.
And to all the content creators out there, Famouslinker is the platform for you. Sign up today, create your own page, and start connecting with clients and making money. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow Sakine for more amazing content and tips.